You've heard your teacher say, "Don't forget your references." But what exactly does that mean? In the next 4 minutes, I'll explain everything you need to know about references, what they are, why you need them, and how to write them properly. Let's get into it. 1. What are references? References are the full details of every source you've cited in your paper. They appear at the end of your work, usually under the heading, References, Works Cited, or Bibliography. In text. Foy and Benjamin, 2021. Reference. Foy, V.O., and Benjamin, O.O., 2021. Natural gas consumption and economic performance in selected sub-Saharan African countries. A heterogeneous panel ARDL analysis. African Development Review, 33, 3, 518,532. Think of in-text citations as the quick note, and the reference list as the full story. 2. Why are references important? Simple. They give credit to original authors, help readers verify your sources, and show that you've done real research. No references equals risk of plagiarism, which is a serious academic offense. Always include them. 3. What should a reference include? References typically include author's year of publication, title of the work, publisher or source, additional info like volume, issue, URL, or DOI. Pushpin example. APA. Book. Kumar, R. 2020. Research methodology. A step-by-step guide for beginners, 5th ed. Sage Publications. Pushpin example. APA. Website, World Health Organization. 2023, May 12. Mental health and COVID-19. https://www.who.in/newsroom. Each citation style has its own format, so double-check what your school or journal requires. 4. Reference list versus bibliography versus works cited. Confused by the headings? Here's the difference. References, used in APA, includes only sources you cited in your text. Works cited, used in MLA, also includes only what you cited. Bibliography, often used in Chicago, and may include other works you read but didn't directly cite. Always check the instructions. Some professors use these terms interchangeably, but some don't. 5. Tools to help you create references. You don't have to format everything by hand. Try these tools. Zotero or Mendeley for full reference management, Google Docs citation tool, Citation Machine or BibGuru for quick online help. These can auto-generate your references in APA, MLA, Chicago, you name it. Just double-check for accuracy. Now you know how to build a proper reference list. If you want a full walkthrough on APA, MLA, or Chicago style, let us know in the comments. And of course, like, subscribe, and keep citing like a pro. See you next time.